Our multiple encounters with Chevrolet's second generation have been entirely cordial. It placed third in U, in which the modest compact pleased us with its quiet cabin and good looks, as well as its overall comfort. We ranked it ahead of the Hyundai Elantra and the Nissan Sentra in that test, but found it less compelling than the Honda Civic or the Mazda 3. Essentially, it snags the middle-of-the-pack praise we once reserved for the solid goods Corolla, before took a lazy turn toward apathy in recent years. Hardly exciting stuff. But for 2017, the Cruze's story is somewhat caffeinated by the addition of the hatch answers the call for a more useful Cruze variant here in the U.S., giving Chevrolet a shot at the growing interest in compact hatchbacks. The previous generation Cruze, at Ford, 40% of Focus sales in 2015 were the hatchback model, and Chevrolet has never stopped watching its crosstown rival, and vice versa. Unlike Ford, however, General Motors has not seen fit to bring us a hot hatch like those it offers in Europe. And to Chevy, the letters RS denote nothing more than an option package containing wheel and appearance upgrades. The lack of aspiration beyond practicality is evident in the Chevy suspension tuning, steering ratio, wheel sizes, and styling forward of the back doors, all being more or less identical to those of the refined but decidedly unsporty sedan. The liftback model at least looks more interesting. The roof sweeps down more aggressively to meet the steeply raked rear window, and the entire caboose is 4 inches stubbier than the sedans, lending the hatch a chunky, forward-leaning appearance. The only bad angle is the dead-on rear view, where the dimensional tweaks and sloped rear end